Ever wonder how Apple continues to innovate and stay ahead of the curve? Well, they've done it again. This time, by acquiring DarwinAI, a Canada-based AI startup that specializes in vision-based technology for manufacturing efficiency. This acquisition marks another milestone in Apple's journey to integrate AI into their ecosystem. It's all about staying at the forefront of technology, and as always, Apple is leading the charge. So if you're as excited about tech updates as we are, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Stay tuned to know how this acquisition could change the game for Apple and the tech industry at large. So, who is DarwinAI and why is Apple interested in them? Let's dive into the details. Hailing from Canada, DarwinAI is an AI startup that has carved a niche for itself in the realm of vision-based technology, specifically designed to enhance manufacturing efficiency. No small feat, right? The company has successfully generated more than $15 million in funding, with key investors like BDC Capital and Obvious Ventures backing their innovative vision. But what does DarwinAI's technology do exactly? Well, by employing advanced AI, it enables machines to see and understand manufacturing components, thereby skyrocketing productivity and efficiency. Imagine a production line where every process is overseen and optimized by AI. That's the future DarwinAI envisions. This technology didn't just catch Apple's eye. It enticed them enough to acquire the startup, incorporating several of DarwinAI's team members into Apple's own machine learning teams. A move that speaks volumes about the value and potential Apple sees in DarwinAI's tech. But it's not just about the technology, it's about the people behind it too. The DarwinAI team, now part of Apple's machine learning division, brings a wealth of knowledge, experience, and innovation to the table, further strengthening Apple's position in the AI landscape. Clearly, DarwinAI is not just another AI startup, it's a game changer in the world of manufacturing efficiency. The acquisition of DarwinAI by tech giant Apple signals a promising future for the integration of AI in everyday technologies. So hold on to your seats, folks. The AI revolution is just getting started. But what does Apple plan to do with DarwinAI's technology? That's the million-dollar question. Apple's acquisition of DarwinAI, a Canadian startup specializing in vision-based tech for manufacturing efficiency, isn't just a random addition to their portfolio. It's a strategic move aimed at enhancing the capabilities of their devices and services. The intention? To leverage DarwinAI's technology for on-device generative AI features in iOS 18. You might be wondering, what does on-device generative AI mean? Well, it's a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content or predictions based on its training data, all within the device itself. This means your iPhone or iPad could potentially generate unique, personalized experiences without relying on cloud-based computations or storing your data elsewhere. But that's not all. Apple's acquisition of DarwinAI aligns with their ongoing investments in Gen AI efforts, further proving their commitment to advancing AI integration across their product range. There's talk of these Gen AI features making their grand debut later this year, which is certainly something to look forward to. Now, while the focus is on iOS 18, Apple isn't limiting the scope of AI integration to just their operating systems. They're exploring how AI can be woven into various areas, including their voice assistant Siri, developer tools, and customer support. This could mean more intuitive interactions with Siri, streamlined app development, and a more personalized customer service experience. Apple's plans with DarwinAI reflect their vision for the future, a future where AI is integral to creating more efficient, personalized, and secure user experiences. This acquisition isn't just about improving their products, it's about enhancing their manufacturing process and reinventing the way they deliver their services. It seems Apple is all set to revolutionize not just their products, but their manufacturing process as well. So what does this mean for you as a tech enthusiast or an Apple user? The acquisition of DarwinAI by Apple is a significant move in the tech field. This Canada-based startup, specializing in vision-based technology for manufacturing efficiency, has now joined forces with Apple's machine learning teams. The aim is to leverage DarwinAI's advanced technology for on-device generative AI features in the upcoming iOS 18. This acquisition signals Apple's increased investment in Gen AI efforts and is expected to introduce groundbreaking features later this year. The company is also exploring AI integration in various areas, including Siri, developer tools, and customer support. As tech enthusiasts or Apple users, you can anticipate a more efficient, intelligent, and user-friendly experience across Apple devices and services. The potential impact of this acquisition on the tech industry and Apple users is indeed significant. To stay updated on such exciting tech news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and let us know that you've subscribed by commenting, "I have subscribed." Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.